If you want to get dynamic wallpaper on POCO F7 Pro, first of all, we can open Settings. Scroll down in the Settings to choose Personalization. And then over here we can scroll down to find AI Dynamic Wallpapers. Over here we have the example wallpapers. As you can see, we can scroll through them, but essentially we want to press Start. Unfortunately, you need to have a Xiaomi account to be able to use this feature, but we can easily set it up by using Google, for example. So if you have a Google account, then you can just sign in using your Google account. So then once we open it, we will find those example wallpapers generated by AI. We can tap on them in order to see how they look like. And of course, you can create your own dynamic wallpaper based on a photo or a picture of your choice. So for example, if I press this plus button, then we can select a photo. Unfortunately, only some categories are actually compatible with this feature, and sometimes it works pretty well, sometimes it doesn't really work that well. But let's say we're gonna use this photo over here and we're gonna press the generate in the top right corner, and it might take up to a couple of minutes until it is done. And there we go. After a couple of minutes you should see your results. So if you like it, you can press simply apply in the top right corner, and you can find your generated content on this list as well. So as an example, I can use this photo over here. We can set it for both home screen and lock screen. There we go, applied successfully, and for some reason it didn't go back to the home screen, so let's just go back by ourselves, and as you can see we have an animated wallpaper. And like I said, there are just a couple of categories that are actually working pretty well with this feature, and we can read about it in the starting information. So those categories are landscape, cities, plants, and cars. So they will definitely work the best. You will get the best results if you stick with these categories. And of course, feel free to try anything else as well to see how it works. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.